In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Twitter password if you forgot it. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. It doesn't matter if you logged in on your Twitter or you can log in because you forget your password. To know that password without restoring them, you need to do the following. So, first open up your settings and here scroll down until you find passwords. And there on that page you got all passwords that was saved in your Apple ID account. You can scroll down to look for the desired site, or you can use search bar to find the specific site. I found Twitter too fast. I can tap here and there I can get access to my password for that specific username. Here is username and password. And now password is hidden, but if I tap on that password, it will be immediately shown to me and I'll be able to copy that password, and then I can go back to Twitter application and use that username and that password to sign into that specific account. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.